Question number 8 of exercise 5.1. Show that points A, B and C are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. See girls, I am doing the working of this sum because you can see the coordinate of C has irrational number in it, which is going to lead into somewhere you might go wrong with the calculation, you can make errors. So that is why I am showing this sum with the full calculation girls. So please see to it that you also do the sum along with me so that you can learn the calculation better. So let us see what we have to show here, that ABC are vertices of equilateral triangle. That means we have to show that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Okay, I hope you agree. Equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So therefore, keeping that in mind, you have to prove. That means you have to find the distance AB, you have to find the distance BC and distance AC. If they are equal, they have to be equal because they are said show that. So it has to be equal. Keep that in mind. So let us start. So how do we start with the sum? You will first write, to show that points ABC are vertices of equilateral triangle, we find AB, BC and AC. Okay girls, I hope you have written it. Now we start with the sum. So initially by using distance formula, don't forget to write that. So you start the sum, you will put the vertices. A is 1, 2, B is 1, 6 and C is 1 plus 2 root 3, 4. Now keeping this in mind, we are starting with the calculation using distance formula. So first time when you are using it, you will write the formula. AB equals to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So according to me, if I take A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, we continue solving it. We get it as 1 minus 1 the whole square plus 6 minus 2 the whole square. Always try to keep it in such a way that it is easier for your calculation. Again, what is 1 minus 1? Oh yes, 0 square. And what is 6 minus 2? 4 square. So what do we get here? Yes, 0 square is 0. And you have 4 square under the root. So the answer is 4. You can keep it as equation 1. Go to find BC. BC. So I'll take this as x2 y2, this as x1 y1. So what do I have? 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 6 the whole square, all under the root. So we have it as plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 root 3 square. 2 root 3 square is nothing but, I'll show you the calculation, plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2 square. This is what you get. That is, under the root, 2 square is 4. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 3s are 12. Plus, what is minus 2 square? 4. So you get it as root 16. Yes, when you get some values which are closer to the answer, you feel happy, right? So here we have got 2 4s. Now next we are going to find what is AC. Okay. since I took this first, it was easier for me to calculate. So here also I will take it similarly. One plus 2 root 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 the whole square. So what do we have, girls? Here is plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 root 3 square plus 2 square. So what do we get? Is 2 square. Again, I hope you remember here how we got the answer 12. Same here. 12 plus 4. What is 12 plus 4? Yes, 16 again. That is equal to 4. Equation 3. Hence, from here, what can we conclude? From 1, 2 and 3. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Hence, the sum concludes. Okay. So, now, problem set sum number 7 and the solved example question number 6 has a similar approach, and we have to find the same thing, that is find the circumcenter of the triangle. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2 and 1, 3. So we say let C. So here C is the circumcenter and we take the coordinates as x, y. Let us name the triangle as ABC, and we specify to say where A is coordinate minus 3, 1, B coordinate is 0, minus 2 and C coordinate is 1, 3. This we are doing for our convenience sake, so that is easy for us to pick up the coordinates. Now, since it is a circumcenter, keep one thing in mind, girls. When it is a circumcenter, this is a triangle ABC, and here lies, okay, I'll take this as D. Here lies my point D. Here lies my point D. Since this is circumcenter, I hope you know what is the meaning of circumcenter. The circle passing through the vertices is called as a circumcircle, and center to that circle is called as a circumcenter. So this is my point D. So from point D to B to A and to C, it is equal. That means AD is equal to BD is equal to CD. Okay, make note of this. And that means we have to find the distance AD, we have to find distance BD, we have to find distance CD by using distance formula. AB equals to BD is equal to CD. Why are they equal? Because they are radii of circumcircle. Is that very clear? So we find AD, distance formula. I am not going to write this again, girl. you are going to fill in. So let us substitute. So I take A and D is already written by us as x comma y. So x minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square. We keep AD further as square root of. Since you can see it is coming as a quadratic expansion which will come here, so we keep it as it is so that later on we can remove of the root sign. Okay, so we write this as x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, and we leave it as equation 1. Now we go to BD. How can we find BD? Square root of. So no need of writing the distance formula once again, because once we have written it here, you don't have to write it again and again. So for BD, x minus 0. Yeah, 0 is a good number for calculation, not a good number to be seen in the margin. Right, girls? So we have square root of x square plus y plus 2 the whole square. We keep this as equation 2. Since we have said AD is equal to BD, squaring both sides, AD square is also equal to BD square. Therefore, what do we get? Let us write the equation what we have in AD. X plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equal to x square plus y plus 2 the whole square. Now expansion is by using a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. The formula is for a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now we expand it. X square plus 6x plus 9. I hope it's quite clear. Y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. Okay, girls, I hope you have finished writing till the last. I wait for 2 minutes. We'll have to clear the board further. So here on the either side of the equal to, you can find square terms having same sign. Since it is having same sign on either sides of the equal to, it gets cancelled. Therefore, we have 6x minus 2y plus 10 here. On the other side, it is 4y plus 4. Now, we solve this further. Therefore, 6x minus 6y, when this plus 4 will come this side, plus 6 equals to 0. So, what can I take out common? I can take out 6 common, so you get the equation as x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is your equation number 3. So after you get this equation, similarly you have to solve AD is equal to CD. Okay, using the same pattern. And when you solve, you will get another equation which is in the variable x and y. Once you get that equation, I know. You know how to solve the equation simultaneously. And when you solve the equation simultaneously, you will get the value for x and y. Is that very clear, girls? So, you will complete the sum with the help of the solved examples, which is there, sum number 6 in your textbook.